Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the Mi logo on the screen, which should be there we go, right now, you can let go of those keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. Once you see this screen right over here, you will need to use volume keys to navigate through it. So volume up will go up and down will go down. And using those keys, scroll down to safe mode. Once it's selected like it is for me right now, press power key to confirm it. And once the device boots back up, normally it should be in safe mode, but for some reason Xiaomi decided, nah, you ain't getting safe mode here. So I don't know if this is some kind of maybe problem right now with like the update or something, but normally you will see a safe mode rating right here, which means that you are in the desired mode, but I can't see it, so I'm assuming I'm not in safe mode right now. And I don't see any apps being turned off, so again, that furthermore cements the idea that this didn't boot me into safe mode. But in any case, that is generally how you would boot into safe mode, the only way on this phone. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this as it is. This is kind of how you would go. As you've seen, that was the option there, but I guess it is up to you to see if you can boot into safe mode or not, if this is a bug just that I'm experiencing, or if it's just that Xiaomi decided to remove this mode. So anyway, that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.